Hi guys! So we're now on our video tutorial number 2. And in today's lessons, we will talk about observation. Are you ready? Great! So before we begin, let's have a short recall of what an observation is all about. What do we already know about observation? Very good. So observation is a process wherein we use our senses or we use tools to record data about an object or event that we are studying for. Okay, like for example, this one. Try this one. Okay, what do you see on our screen? Wow, are you a dog lover also like me? So, on the screen, you see here 5 cute little puppies. If you ask me about my observation, I would say that each puppy has 2 eyes. So this is the 2 eyes of the puppies. That is my observation using my senses. I use my eyes to count the eyes of the dog. Okay, what about your observation? Wow, very good. Okay, in observation, okay, one way to observe something is by the use of our senses. And we know that we have 5 senses. Okay, we have our eyes to see, our nose to smell, our ears to hear, our tongue to taste, and our skin to feel something. So we can observe something or we can describe something by using our senses. And that is what is so called a qualitative observation. A qualitative observation comes from the word quali, which means quality or traits. You are describing something or phenomenon or event through your senses by looking their qualities or traits. So that is what is so called a qualitative observation. Okay. So remember, if we're going to use a qualitative observation, you are using your senses. Okay, let's try this example. Since I'm a dog lover, so here again, you will see here again the 5 cute little puppies. If I ask you to describe the puppies using your eyes, what observation can you give? We have the same observation. I can see that the puppies are small. Okay. If I ask you to observe the puppies using your ears, what is your observation? Yes, you will hear the puppies barking. What about if I ask you to describe puppy using your sense of feeling? You may say that you can feel their soft fur. So those observation is what is so called a qualitative observation. Why? Because you are using your senses to describe something. So that is a qualitative observation. Okay, now there are observations that use tools, okay, to describe something. And this observation is known as the qualitative observation. In qualitative observation, in quantitative observation, okay, you are referring to the quantity. Okay, when you say quantity, this is the measurement of certain items, of certain things, of certain event. For example, you want to measure how long your hair is. Okay, you will describe the length of your hair using measurement, using tools, and that tools, okay, you can use ruler or you can use meter stick, you can use anything that can measure the length. Okay, so for you to give your observation about how long your hair is, okay, and you use some tools like a ruler, you are giving a quantitative type of observation. Like for example, I ask you to give me a quantitative observation of the 1 kilogram of mango that placed on the table. So how would you give a quantitative observation? Since you are dealing with quantity, so you must say that, okay, you see a 1 kilogram of mangoes on the table. So therefore, your observation is a quantitative observation because you use measurement, you use tools, okay, to observe something, to observe events that you wish to study for. Okay, so that is quantitative observation. Like for example, this one. Okay, let's go back with my 5 cute puppies. Okay, how will you observe the puppies? Can you give me your quantitative observation about the puppies? Okay, you see the 5 fingers here? Okay, so you are referring to in numbers. So I must say that there are 5 puppies. I observe the puppies using what? Numerical measurement. So I count the puppies and I observe that they are 5. And okay, aside from 5, those puppies has 2 eyes. So those examples are quantitative observation. Okay, it's review time. Okay, let's answer this one or supply the missing word. Okay, in qualitative observation, it is an observation made by, what is your answer? Great! Okay, it is made by an observation using your senses. So that is a qualitative observation. While when we say quantitative observation, these are the observation made with the use of measurement. Okay, so those are the different types of observation. Okay, I want you to practice, okay, our skills in identifying the quantitative and qualitative observation. Okay, can you get your notebook? Okay, so what are you going to do? Imagine we're on this beach. Okay, so pandemic ngayon, sarap pumunta dyan. If walang virus. Pero for now, from this time, hindi mo tayo pwedeng pumunta. So, we will use our imagination. Okay? In that area, on that beautiful place, you can hear ocean. You can touch the sun. Okay? You can walk along the beach. Okay? So, what are you going to do is, you're going to give me 3 quantitative observation and 3 qualitative observation based on the picture. So use your imagination to observe or to give your observation. So write your answer on your notebook. Then afterwards we can check your answer.